Go take the car. It's be the first time the car has been out to a meet since everything's been done. I'm about to wash it right now because apparently I hit a bird. I don't know how that happened because I thought birds don't really get hit by cars because they can move out the way, but yeah, it's pretty bad. Well, so I'm gonna wash this up and then we'll head out. Honestly, haven't been in a meet since I lived in Elk Grove, and that's where we're going. So maybe like a year ago. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully there's some nice cars and whatnot. But I got the GoPro and I got the camera. Take some pictures. And then the GoPro is just in case, you know, just in case some things happen. But honestly, I'm not trying to do too much. Because remember, we're still pretty much a base map, so we're stock power. We just don't look like it, which sucks because we could have a lot more power than what we have right now, but it's all good, you know. The tune will eventually get done. I don't know when, but it will. But right now we're about to pull up on Rowan, and then yeah, we'll be at the meet. All right, we at Rowan's. He just got done putting on these wheels, last minute swap. Bro, look at this shit. That is ridiculous. That was like 2 times bigger than mine. Both of the J's Racing put together. Shit's fucking huge. That's why I fuck with the Type R2. Can your car hold a flask, half gallon? Didn't think so. Still got all these fucking lights on the dash until we take the bumper off and fabricate a little bracket for the Honda Sensing, but that'll be a long time, so I don't know. Look who it is! It's Ryan! Feel me? Got some nice builds out here. Honda gang. This is hella cleaned up. This is SS right behind me. Oh shit. Alright. I thought he was finna boop. Alright, so fucking meet was a bust on whatever day that was. I was supposed to go to a meet this morning, but I fell asleep. So, new plan. We out here about to go on a little cruise. And hopefully turns out well. Say hi. Alright. We got the Type R, S2K, 350, Camry XSE, another 350, and then we also have a WRX. We got Row. So what's up? All right, quick little recap. We did a couple pictures, stopped in this weird ass parking lot. It's dead as hell. There was hella trucks in front of us, so we couldn't smash. I got a little bit of GoPro footage. That's about it. What's it sounding like? Huh? What's it sounding like? right now on this. Does it look hella bright?
Yep.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, God. Oh.
Ooh, getting a little windy. All those hours of Forza. I mean, all those hours of Gran Turismo. Oh, my ears are plugged. Hey. Wanna give it a try?
Huh?
You wanna give it a try?
No.
Woo! You have to come get your mail all the way out here.
Ah.
You got butterflies? Just let me know if you need me to stop.
I've not seen him for like 2 minutes. Ah.
It's alright. I'm internationally certified in Gran Turismo.
That beat come in so hard and so nasty.
I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the box. She gon' get a knot. Ayy, off white on my top. Play J Rolly watch.